Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the time in your area when you watch this video. This is another unboxing video. As you can see, this one is not from Amazon, because this comes from Think Geek. And now, let's see what's inside. I'm going to change angle again. Going down. Cut through here. Go through the middle. Well, alright. I know this is not the usual way to do it, but it's quicker. So, another side. Let's see if I can open it yet. Yes, good. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, as usual, take out the paperwork. And of course, once again, for some reason I get these little bags in them. Now, I'm going to show you what I got. I got these. I got Zubbles. Can you see them? Let me pull them out. There's two different colors. There's blue and there's pink. These are Zubbles, the world's first color bubble. Now I'm going to explain why I got Zubbles. Hold on, going back up. Hello again. Now, I'm going to show you something. Taking the camera for a ride again. Once again, there's my Big Night Diary of a Wimpy Kid and Secret Identity Crisis collection of books. The Archie comic I'm reading. My Twinkie the Kid dispenser. The robot from The Day the Earth Stood Still. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's a really cool wind-up. My Star Trek Pets collection. It's a book called The Candy Shop War, and the one I'm reading now called Jack Blank and Imagination. But I got a little distracted. The reason why I got this is because the man who invented Zubbles is Tim Kehoe, the same man who wrote The Unusual Mind of Vincent Shadow. And so I just really wanted to see what his invention was. And I believe that the colors I got is blue and pink. Sad to say I couldn't pick red and yellow. But I will test them out in a future video. And I just hope that explains everything and that you enjoyed the videos. Thanks for listening and watching. Please make comments down below. Over and out from your good buddy Tom, everybody.